Right there!
God. Kiss me outside the beauty valley, green beam under the green, green grass. What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. Now I'm a singer. I'm just kidding. I'm not. I really wish I was, though. But I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new body camera footage blindly, break it down in real time, and give it to you raw. No quick cuts, no fancy edits, nothing like that. Just me being really raw and blind in the videos. Because I used to be a cop, and I feel like that's the best way for me to give you a glimpse into how the cop brain is working, because without fail, there's always one question that stands out. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Police Activity. Fresno cops fire at robbery suspect who stole safe from apartment. Okay, interesting. I don't know why you would shoot someone simply for theft, but here we go.
Hi, there's an armed robbery going down at Maplewood Condominiums right now.
Oh, an
What's the
armed
full
robbery.
address there?
North Backer Avenue, what unit?
And there's like 4 or 5 of them. They all got guns.
My neighbor just came to my house knocking.
They broke into my window and they said Fresno Police Department. And
Okay.
I looked out the people for a second. It wasn't the cops, and I ran out the back door.
Smart.
And you guys are in unit.
Yeah,
I'm in unit. House robberies.
I see them just keep going back and forth grabbing.
They got guns and stuff, and they're just looting his house.
Yeah, I don't think Fresno Police wears that uniform. I could be wrong, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is not the Fresno Police Department. Just gonna go out on a limb and say that right now. That's a gun. Actually, wait, is it? I'm pretty sure that's a shotgun. Holy shit, man. This is just degenerate behavior. This is you fix this by handing out actual consequences. This is how you fix this behavior. You throw them all in prison for this, period. Then maybe they'll learn that this is not okay. Wow. Yeah, that is quite the safe. What would be awesome and hilarious is if he accidentally backed over one of the suspects or drove the vehicle into that pond. What a bunch of degens. God, please get stuck. That would be awesome. What a bunch of animals, honestly.
14 of Hardware, it's in the middle of the complex. It's in the middle of the complex.
Copy.
It is here.
In broad daylight, 7:30 a.m.
Somebody hold shot. You link up. Oh, thank God.
God, this is the worst body camera placement.
Forward to Key 4PM. Give me it. Give me.
Oh,
Stay right
shit.
there. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I got the car on the south side. Get on the ground. Don't fucking move.
Remember, he can't shoot them unless they point a gun at him or they start to drive at him quickly with that vehicle.
They're trying to drive away. Don't move. Don't move. Key 14, they're going back towards you. Stop right there.
Uh-oh.
We're 11. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stop
Go,
right
get in the
there.
car. Go after him. Dumbasses. The suspects, not the cops. I would say that was a lawful shooting. I'll have to rewind it, but as of right now, I'm going to say that was a lawful shooting. God, again with this nice. Oh my God. Yeah, that's not a lawful shooting. Is that a canine or just a random dog? Okay.
I fired. Oh, God damn. Give me your hand. There's a guy in the car still. There's another guy in the car still. Another guy in the car.
Never forget to clear the rest of the vehicle. Holy cow. So he obviously shot through his windshield.
Let me get that. I got you.
Wow.
Hey, I'm gonna put this in my car.
Smart. Now close your car door. Okay, I want to go back and look at the initial.
On the ground! Don't fucking move!
You gotta take into account how much room is to his right. He's got to be able to articulate he was in fear for his life.
Don't move! Don't move! King 14, they're going back towards you.
And again, we could have.
Stop right there!
So at the point that he starts firing, it is coming right at him. At the point he fires right here, the vehicle is literally pointed at him. So I would go as far to say that this is lawful. However, the one where the suspect is running away. As he's pulling his pants up. Let's slow this down. Playback speed 0.5. Yeah. Is he reaching for a gun? But it doesn't totally matter until he raises the weapon. How many shots? 1, 2. Not a lawful shooting right here. He's actively running away. No weapons in his hand that we can see. This is not a lawful shooting. You can't shoot someone in the back as they're running away. However, the one before that, like I said, the vehicle is pointed at him at the time the shots are fired. Therefore, I would say he was able to articulate. He was in fear for his life. Some may disagree with that, but the engine is getting ready to go, and they are flooring it. So, honestly, I would have shot. I honestly would have shot. There's no other defense in that moment. And in the moment, he's going to have tunnel vision, so he's not going to expect them to go to his right. He's going to expect them to run him over. So I would say this is a justified shooting. This is not. Because he is back to the officer. No weapon that we can see. I don't know what that left arm is doing, but it doesn't matter until he raises up a weapon. And who's to say he even had a weapon on him at this point? So first one, lawful because the vehicle was about to run him over. In his mind, this one, not so much. I do these videos. Oh shit, I gotta give him a grade. So as a whole, I give them a C. This is really dragging them down for obvious reasons. Not a pretty situation, but when you steal safes, you are literally asking for these violent encounters. Like, the police are going to undoubtedly show up. Whether they shoot you or not is kind of up to them in their training. But you're asking for violent encounters, period, when you do dumb shit like armed robbery a house and steal a massive safe in the middle of an apartment complex. Grow up. Get a real job. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye. Kiss me.